Okay, I've seen it too, that shiny touchscreen display in the store, the smooth swiping, the promise of a tablet and laptop in one, and then you buy it 6 months later. That game-changing feature collects fingerprints while your battery drains twice as fast. After testing 27 models, from bargain bins to luxury brands, I discovered something shocking. 90% of touchscreen laptops are gimmicks, but today I'm revealing the 3 that actually deliver on their promise. The 3 machines where touch isn't just a party trick, it's a revolution. All direct purchase links and exclusive discounts are waiting in the description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Acer Swift Go 14, 2024. If you want something a little more affordable, check out the Acer Swift Go 14, 2024. Although this 14-inch model doesn't feel quite as premium as the Lenovo ThinkPad X915 Aura Edition, 2025, above, it feels sturdily built nonetheless, exhibiting only a small amount of flex on the lid and keyboard deck. The important thing to know about this laptop is that it has 2 display options, but only the FHD Plus IPS panel supports touch input, so it's a slight downgrade resolution-wise compared to the ThinkPad. You get Wi-Fi 6E wireless connectivity, a 1080p webcam, and a wide port selection that includes 2 Thunderbolt 4s and an HDMI. This laptop features Intel's Meteor Lake CPUs, which are powerful enough to handle tasks like text processing, web browsing, spreadsheets, and presentations, as well as more demanding workloads like programming. There's no dedicated GPU option, so don't expect to do anything GPU intensive. Its battery life is excellent. At around 11 hours of light use or video playback, you can charge the laptop via USB-C. There's a fingerprint sensor built into the power button. The keyboard provides a good, albeit slightly mushy, typing experience, and while the touchpad isn't haptic, it's large and responsive to all movements and gestures. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7, 2024. The best workstation laptop we've tested available with a touch-sensitive display is the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7, 2024. Configurable with Intel Meteor Lake CPUs, up to a Core Ultra 9 185H, and various NVIDIA discrete GPUs, this 16-inch model can easily tackle demanding tasks like 3D modeling, simulations, or content creation. You can get up to 64 GB of RAM and 8 TB of storage, and these components are user upgradable, so you can add more later if needed. There are 3 display options, but similar to some of the laptops mentioned above, only the 60Hz 4K Plus OLED panel supports touch input. This display has full coverage of the DCI-P3 color space and gets bright enough to combat glare in well-lit settings. The overall user experience is amazing. It has Lenovo's beloved keyboard, a large haptic touchpad, an excellent 1440p webcam, tons of ports, 3 USB-Cs, 2 Thunderbolt 4s, an HDMI 2.1, and a fast SD Express 7.0 card reader. You can charge the laptop via USB-C, but since the USB-C ports can only take up to 135W, the battery will lose charge if you perform intensive tasks at the same time, so you'll have to carry around its proprietary charger. Linux users can get this laptop with Ubuntu, Fedora, or Red Hat installed. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 11th Edition, 2024. If you want a touchscreen laptop that's better suited for use in tablet mode, check out the Microsoft Surface Pro 11th Edition, 2024. Unlike 2-in-1 convertibles with a 360-degree hinge, this form factor is much more comfortable to use as a tablet since you can detach the keyboard. It's also a great device for taking handwritten notes or drawing. Unfortunately, you must buy the keyboard and stylus separately. Another downside is that this device can be a little awkward to use on your lap because most of the weight is on the screen side, increasing the chance the device might tip over, and the kickstand can dig into your lap if you wear shorts. Unlike most Windows laptops on the market, the Surface Pro runs on the ARM-based Snapdragon SoC. This means that some apps might not work or perform poorly, so make sure the apps you use are compatible. You can choose between the X Plus and X Elite chip. The latter is faster but will shorten battery life. The choice of the SoC also dictates which display you get, as the X Plus model has an IPS panel, while the X Elite sports an OLED display. OLED displays usually provide a superior visual experience, but in this case, the panel exhibits a rather distracting screen door effect. Also, remember that OLEDs are susceptible to permanent burn-in. So there you have it, the ultimate filter applied, no hype, no brand bias, just the 3 machines that genuinely earned their touchscreens. Whether you're a digital artist, a presenter, or just someone who wants a more intuitive way to work, one of these is your answer. If this brutal honesty saved you from a mistake, prove it. Smash that like button. This research took months and your support fuels it. Share this with anyone considering a new laptop right now, and subscribe if you haven't. Next week we're exposing the biggest lie in gaming laptops. You won't believe what we found. I'll see you there.